Good morning, students. Today we continue with the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. Now we come to the next topic, that is animal husbandry. It will come under the category of animal breeding. First of all, you must know that what is animal husbandry. हम किसको कहते हैं animal husbandry? It is the branch of science that deals with the feeding, caring and breeding of domestic animal. It is called animal husbandry. Husbandry means to use a resource carefully without waste. You know that in this animal husbandry, we rear and breed the different types of animals for different purposes. You know that, like you have read about the poultry farming, fisheries are there. In this, the different animals are reared and breed for different purposes. You know that we do the different profession under the animal husbandry because the population is increases and living standard are also increasing. That's why the demand of milk, egg, meat is also going up. So the people are doing this profession to fulfill the demand of the increasing population. So there are different categories comes under the animal breeding. It is in the animal breeding there is cattle farming, poultry farming, fish farming and apiculture. The cattle farming is related to the rearing and breeding of cows and buffaloes for milk, as well as under the cattle farming the animals also come which do the purpose of plowing and other purposes. And second is poultry farming, that it is rearing and breeding of hen and fowls for the eggs and meat. Fish farming, as the name indicate, capturing and culturing of fish for their meat and fish oil, etc. And apiculture is beekeeping for honey and wax. Now today we will discuss with the topic cattle farming. Cattle farming or cattle husbandry is done for two purposes. First is milk and second is draught labor for agriculture work. I have told you earlier, like tilling, irrigation and carting. The cattle, you know that basically we use the cattle, like we take the example of cow and buffalo for the milk production. In India, Indian cattle belong to two different species. One is the called Bos indica, that is cow, and other is the Bos bubalis, that is buffalo. For these two are used for milk production, beta ji, and these animals are called the milking animals or dairy animals, and other which are used for doing the agriculture work, for doing the labor, are called the draught animal like ox, etc. Now you know that when we are using these animals for the production of milk, it means that we have to want more milk production from them. The milk production depend upon during the lactation period. What is the meaning of lactation period? The lactation period is the period of milk production after the birth of a calf. So milk production can be increased by increasing the lactation period, and this can be done by breeding. You know that when we breed, when we there is you have done the hybridization in the case of plants also. When we do the cross breeding with the some foreign or some other breeds, and we get the different varieties. The 6 most popular Indian cattle breeds you can see here, that is Sahiwal is there, and Red Sindhi is there. These are the, and one most important is Khilari. These are the important Indian breeds. Now we will discuss about the cross breeding. What is the meaning of cross breeding? These breeds are obtained when we do the cross breeding of the animals. That cross breeding is done for getting the desired characteristics. जब हमें कुछ characteristics चाहिए, हमें उसके लिए cross breeding करनी होती है, and by the cross breeding we get the desired characteristics. Now in the cattle farming, when we rear and breed cattle, we do this, we need a particular space. बेटा जी हमें एक particular space चाहिए जहाँ पर cleaning और shelter facilities होनी चाहिए cow और buffaloes के लिए, और we have to take care of their health also. हमें उसकी health का वहाँ पर proper sanitation का ध्यान रखना है. The animal should be sheltered under well ventilated roof sheds which protect them from rain, heat and cold. Now the food requirement for the kettles. The food requirement of dairy animals are of two types. First one is maintenance requirement, which is the food required to support the animal to live healthy life. And second, which is very important, for that we are doing this cattle farming, that is the requirement for milk. For the milk producing requirement, the food which is required during the lactation period, it must be roughage, fiber must be there, and concentrate which are low in fiber and contain relatively high level of proteins and other nutrients. The cattle needs balanced rations containing all nutrient in proper proportion, and these nutrient contain definitely all the proteins which is required for the good production of the milk. When we give the proper food to the dairy animals, beta, then only they will give the good food. Cattle suffer from a number of diseases also. These diseases, besides causing death, like infection, etc., these are responsible for reducing the milk production. One of the main purpose for cattle farming is getting the milk, but due to some infection or some diseases, there is reduced milk production rate in the cattle. So we have to take care about their health. A healthy animal feeds regularly and has normal body posture. When there are some problem to the cattle occur mainly by the parasites. You know that, beta ji, parasite may be internal or external. The external parasite lives on the skin and causes skin diseases, and the internal parasite worms, they live inside the body and they affect the stomach and intestine when they take the food. Sometimes they attack the liver also, and these infectious diseases are caused by the bacteria and viruses. So we have to take care the health of these animals, kettles, by there should be proper vaccination. उनका प्रॉपर वैक्सीनेशन होना चाहिए अगेंस्ट द वायरल एंड बैक्टीरियल डिसीजेस. द कॉमन, आई एम टेलिंग द कॉमन नेम ऑफ द cattle diseases, that is anthrax is the disease. You have heard this disease in the lower class also, 7th and 8th class. This is the fatal disease by the anthrax bacteria. And there is foot and mouth disease also, you have done in 8th class. By this disease the milk production is greatly reduced. So these are the diseases which occurs in the cattle. So beta ji, now today we will do about only the cattle farming. Please read the chapter from the book. In the next class we will study about the poultry farming and fish farming. Thank you.